How much would you pay for a truck that lasts 300,000 miles? Right now, there are pickups sitting on used lots for under $10,000 that nobody wants. They are not broken, they are not junk, they just do not have the right badge on the tailgate, and they will outlast brand new trucks that cost 6 times more. Today we are counting down 7 dirt cheap pickups that nobody is buying, but will outlast every new truck on the road. And I'm telling you right now, the truck sitting at number 1 is going to surprise you. It costs half what its biggest competitor does, has the lowest repair cost in its entire class, and owners are quietly running them past 300,000 miles while the rest of the market sleeps on it. But we will get there. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel to help us reach our dream of 10,000 subscribers. Thank you. Number 7. The Mazda B Series. Starting at the bottom is a truck that most people do not even know exists. And the ones who do assume it is some weird Japanese import nobody can get parts for. Wrong on both counts. The Mazda B Series, sold from 1994 to 2010, is mechanically a Ford Ranger with a different grille. Same frame, same engines, same transmissions, SLME parts at every auto parts store in the country. The only difference is the badge on the tailgate. And that badge is the reason you can buy one for thousands less than an identical Ranger on the same lot. The 4.0-litre Cologne 5.6 puts out 207 horsepower and 238 pound-feet of torque. Timing chain, not a belt, no turbocharger, no direct injection carbon buildup, port fuel injection that just works. Owners report these engines hitting 250,000 miles on original internals with nothing but oil changes every 5,000 miles. The 5-speed manual is essentially indestructible, and the 5-speed automatic is solid, as long as the fluid was changed every 60,000 miles. Average price for a clean B Series with under 150,000 miles is between $4,000 and $7,500. Compare that to an equivalent Ranger at $6,500 to $10,000. You are looking at the same vehicle for thousands less because of pure brand ignorance. Maintenance averages around $500 a year. Walk into any auto parts store, ask for a Ranger part, and it fits your Mazda perfectly. When you inspect one, check the frame behind the rear wheels for rust. These trucks lived hard lives in the Rust Belt, and the rear frame sections can rot through. Check the radiator support and the front control arm bushings because both are common wear items past 150,000 miles. If those check out, you have got a 250,000-mile truck for the price of a riding lawnmower. Number 6. The Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon. First generation, 2004 to 2012. When people think Chevy truck, they think Silverado. The Colorado never had that recognition. That is exactly why you can steal one right now for a fraction of what a Tacoma costs. The engine to look for is the 3.7-litre Vortec inline 5-cylinder, 242 horsepower, 242 pound-feet of torque, enough to tow 6,000 pounds. Timing chain, not a belt, paired with either a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. Both proven units with no widespread failure patterns. These trucks go for $4,000 to $8,000. A same-age Tacoma runs $12,000 to $18,000. Repair Pal rates the Colorado 4 out of 5 with annual maintenance around $589. The Canyon is mechanically identical with a fancier grille. Watch for the fuel pressure regulator on earlier models. It can leak and cause rough idle, but it is a $40 part. Also check the transfer case actuator on 4WD models. Other than that, these cruise past 200,000 miles without drama. Number 5. The Dodge Dakota. A Dodge? Really? Hear me out. The Dodge Dakota 2005 to 2011 occupied a space in the truck market that no longer exists. It was bigger than a mid-size but smaller than a full-size. A true tweener truck that could do almost everything a Ram 1500 could do in a smaller package. And because Dodge killed it in 2011 with no replacement, the market forgot about it. Prices have cratered. The engine you want is the 4.7-litre PowerTech V8. That is 302 horsepower and 329 pound-feet of torque. Genuine V8 muscle in a mid-size body. It can tow 7,000 to 200 pounds. Try getting that out of a 4-cylinder Tacoma. The PowerTech is not the most refined V8 ever made, but it is mechanically tough. Owners on forums regularly report 200,000 miles with no internal engine work. Timing chain, multi-point fuel injection, no known catastrophic failure pattern. The 5-speed automatic behind it is a proven unit from Chrysler's parts bin, $4,000 to $9,000 for a clean example, a V8 truck for under 10 grand. Annual maintenance runs about $670. Slightly above average, but you are getting V8 capability at 4-cylinder prices. Pay close attention to the 545 RFE automatic. It can develop harsh shifting if fluid was neglected. Run it through all gears at operating temperature. Also check ball joints and lower control arm bushings. If the drivetrain is smooth and the suspension is tight, you have got a serious truck at a joke of a price. Number 4. The Ford Ranger 1998 to 2011. This is one of the most legendary small trucks ever built in America, and while Tacoma prices have gone absolutely insane on the used market, Rangers are still shockingly affordable for what you get. These were the trucks that built small businesses, hauled landscaping equipment, and survived decades of abuse from guys who never once cracked open the owner's manual, and they just kept running. The 4.0-litre SOHC V6 puts out 207 horsepower and 238 pound-feet of torque. Mechanics describe it as overbuilt for the application. Timing chain, port fuel injection, no turbo. Rangers with this engine regularly clock 250,000 to 300,000 miles. The Mazda-sourced manual is nearly bulletproof. The frame and electrical system are dead simple, $5,000 to $10,000. Repair Pal rates it 4 out of 5 with annual maintenance around $615. Ford sold hundreds of thousands of these. Parts are everywhere and every mechanic knows them inside out. Check the frame rails for rust, especially from northern states. Look at the timing chain tensioners on the 4.0 SOHC for cold start rattle. Also check the rear leaf spring shackles and rear wheel wells for corrosion. If the frame is clean and the engine starts quiet, this truck will outlive your next 2 cars. Before we move on, if you are getting value from this video, hit that like button. It really does help push this to more truck fans like you. Number 3. The Nissan Titan. First generation, 2004 to 2015. This is one of the most underrated full-size pickups in the history of the American truck market. When the Titan launched, it was designed by the same team that built Nissan's legendary trucks for the global market. But Americans are loyal to the big 3. Ford, Chevy, Ram. The Titan was always the outsider, the truck nobody talked about at the tailgate. And that brand loyalty penalty is exactly why first-gen Titans are bargain-priced right now. Every first-gen Titan came with the 5.6-litre Endurance 5.8. Early models made 305 horsepower, later versions pushed 317 with 385 pound-feet of torque. Timing chain, multi-point fuel injection, well-documented track record of 250,000 miles on basic maintenance. Towing tops out at 9,500 pounds. Serious full-size capability, $6,000 to $12,000. A comparable Tundra costs $12,000 to $20,000 or more. Annual repair costs average $600. Full-size V8 power at mid-size prices. Watch for the rear differential pinion seal and exhaust manifold bolts that corrode and snap at higher mileage. Listen for exhaust ticking on cold starts. Check catalytic converters on 2004 to 2007 models. All manageable fixes. If the V8 runs clean and the transmission shifts smooth, you are buying a truck the market has unfairly ignored for 20 years. Number 2. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500. Classic body style 2003 to 2006. I know what you are thinking. A Silverado? Everyone knows about Silverados, but here is the thing. Everyone wants the newer ones. The 2003 to 2006 classic body trucks have fallen into a pricing sweet spot where they are old enough to be cheap but mechanically mature enough to be fully understood. Every weak point has been documented, every fix is known, and under the hood sits one of the most proven engines in automotive history. The 5.3-litre Vortec 5.8, 295 horsepower, 335 pound-feet of torque. Borderline indestructible. Timing chain, pushrod design, cast iron block. Police fleets, commercial fleets, and taxi companies ran these around the clock and could not kill them. Documented cases of 300,000 miles on stock internals with oil changes and the occasional water pump. $5,000 to $10,000. Annual maintenance around $620. GM made millions of these. Parts are the cheapest in the full-size segment. A 300,000-mile V8 truck for less than the down payment on a brand new half-ton. Watch for oil consumption from the active fuel management system. Many owners delete it with an affordable tune. Check rocker panels and cab corners for rust on northern trucks. Inspect brake lines on 2003 and 2004 models. If the frame is solid and the V8 fires up clean, this truck will run longer than some mortgages. And now, number 1, the Nissan Frontier, second generation, 2009 to 2019. Nissan sold the same truck for over 15 years with almost no changes. Same body, same engine, same transmission. That is not laziness. The truck was already right. The 4.0-litre VQ40DE V6 produces 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. The VQ family has appeared on Ward's 10 best engines list multiple times. Timing chain, naturally aspirated, multi-point fuel injection, no turbo, no hybrid complexity, no dual-clutch gearbox. The simplicity is its superpower. Nothing fancy to break because there is nothing fancy in it. RepairPal ranks the Frontier #1 most reliable mid-size truck out of 7 competitors with annual repair costs of just $470. That is the lowest in its entire class, and this is where it gets wild. Because nobody glamorizes the Frontier the way they do the Tacoma, used prices are dramatically lower. A 2014 or 2015 Frontier with under 120,000 miles goes for $8,000 to $13,000. A comparable Tacoma costs $18,000 to $24,000. That is a $10,000 premium just for a Toyota badge. Frontier owners on forums regularly report 200,000 to 300,000 miles on nothing more than scheduled maintenance. On 2005 to 2008 models, there is a known radiator flaw where coolant and transmission fluid cross-contaminate. It is called the strawberry milkshake of death. From 2009 onward, that is resolved. Check the timing chain for cold start rattle on high-mileage examples. Inspect the rear leaf springs for sagging and the frame for surface rust. If the engine is quiet, the transmission shifts clean, and the frame is solid, you are holding the best value in the used trucker market, period. While Tacoma owners brag about resale value, Frontier owners are quietly laughing all the way to 300,000 miles. That is the real flex. And that is the list. 7 trucks the market forgot about, but your wallet and your mechanic will thank you for. While everyone else is drowning in $800 monthly payments on trucks that will be worth half their sticker price in 3 years, you could own any of these outright with money left over for gas, insurance, and a nice set of tires. New does not mean better, it just means more expensive. Which of these trucks would you buy? Or did we miss one that deserves a spot? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. And if you made it this far, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you do not miss the next one. Thanks for watching.